What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for 9K subscribers. I already did a live stream for it. If you haven't watched it yet, you guys can go watch it. As you guys can see by the title, this is not like a normal video. I put a poll out. Actually, I made a video 2 weeks ago saying that if you guys got 100 likes on this video, I'll do a hair reveal. Since you guys always see me with the do-rag on, you guys haven't seen my hair since in a long time. So you guys got it to 100 likes, and I said I'm gonna give you guys a video this week. Since you guys know we just hit 9K, and I was gonna upload the 9K subscriber dunk special, but I put a poll out like a few hours ago and it got 44 votes, and 75% of you guys said y'all wanted the hair transformation video first. So I'm gonna upload this video first as you're watching it right now, and the dunk special is gonna come in 2 or 3 days, so stay tuned for that. If you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. We're close to 10K, only like 900 away. And if you're watching this and you haven't liked the video yet, please give this video a thumbs up. I'll appreciate it. Let's try to get 50 likes on this video. This is not a regular video on the channel. This is a sports channel, so this is gonna be like different for a lot of you guys, but I promised you guys I'm gonna do it, so here we are. So let me just take you through the journey. November last year, 2020, I cut my hair bald, and as you guys are going to see in the following clips, people on other YouTubers channels are making fun of me for my hair when I was brushing, saying that I would never get waves. And I said to them, next year, February or January, I'm going to get waves and I'm going to show you guys. So this is just like motivation for you guys or other people that cut their hair bald and aren't motivated to like continue. This is proof that you can continue even if you're bald. Try to get waves or try to get any hair design you want. You can still get it no matter what, because the end result is going to be what matters. It doesn't matter what you look like 4 or 5 months ago. What you look like now is what matters. So you can cut your hair bald anytime and you're still going to be able to grow your hair back and do whatever design you want with your hair. So this is purely for motivation and just like inspiration, like my journey. So I'm just gonna show you some clips of like my progression from November to like now, and I'm gonna do a hair reveal at the end of the video. So if you've made it this far and you haven't liked the video yet, please like it up. This video is gonna be lit, and let's get into these clips.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Now, since you guys have just seen all my previous clips of my bald head and my little hair, now I'm going to show you guys my hair reveal as of February 24, 2021 when I'm recording this video. This is what my hair looks like right now. I'm going to do a hair reveal for you guys in 3, 2, 1. Let me untie my do-rag real quick. Hopefully the quality is going to be good for you guys. Okay, I think I'm ready. Like the video if you want me to show my hair right now. Okay, we're gonna get into it. 3, 2, 1. As you guys can see, the waves are there. You can see the progression. You can see the progression from what I had a few months ago. You guys can see the waves. I don't know if the quality is good or not, but you guys can see. Let me turn around and show you guys the back, because I'm trying to get 360 waves. So if you guys have any tips, you can leave it down in the comment section. But I'm trying to get 360 waves, and I've been brushing like all around my head. Let me show you guys the back right now. Let me see. Okay, if you guys can see the back, it's a little waved up. The side, that side. Okay. So that was the hair reveal, everybody. That was the hair reveal. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for the 9K subscriber dunk special coming in 2 or 3 days. Stay tuned for that. And if you're not, follow me on IG. It's right here. It's been on the screen the whole time. I'm trying to reach 100 followers. Thank you to everybody who subscribed. Road to 10K subscribers. Join the Discord linked in the description, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out and have a good day.